Hello everyone, my name is Axel and I like to build stuff. Over the past 2 years of me making, building, and testing a whole bunch of cool inventions, I've always been using this beautiful 3D printer right here. This is an Ender 3 that I've had for over 2 years and have seriously modified. Especially with a direct drive extruder, motor dampeners, and so many more. However, recently I've been kind of wanting to do some more projects and I haven't really had the printer that's been capable. So, as you hear the PC fans right behind me, I got a new printer. Let me introduce you guys to the CR10 V3. The newest member of our toolkit. Now, as you can see right now, it's actually printing my next project, which will be released next month. If you guys haven't been following along with my community posts, now that I have access to them, make sure to subscribe to the channel so then you can get these project updates. Keep out for that. I've really been working really hard on these projects. And yeah, with that, here's our new tools. And I am very excited for what we can do in the future. So with that, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next project. See you guys.